Okay, we are back with another item. Now, we've checked out Cyber Acoustics items a lot in the past. We are back again. This is their DS-1000. It is a docking station specifically to give you a lot of oomph. A lot of oomph. So let's start taking this apart and look at what comes inside. So one, we got our actual station here. Got a little manual. We got the power supply for the station right here. Real nice. I do love that they gave a little strap so that it is travel ready. And then we got your cord from there to that. This was pretty solid. And let's take the wrap off this bad boy. Okay. So right off the bat, you can see it's a little bit larger than your small travel size ones, but it's actually still pretty compact. You've got your power right here, and then to the left of that we have 4 USBs. These are USB-A's, but they are 3.0.2, so they are the most newest form of those plugs. Then you have an Ethernet out, and then you have 2 HDMI cables outputs from this. You can connect 2 monitors to this. It's important to note that this system can actually support up to 2 4K monitors running at 60 hertz. So that's pretty impressive. And then on the other side, we've got an additional USB-A 3.2 as well as a USB-C. So that's really, really solid. It does connect to your system with a USB-C cord on it. So that's going to be how it works. So these are more for the newer ones. It's not going to really work with your older laptops. The really important thing to say, though, is that when this thing is plugged into power, this cord can actually charge your laptop. So that's really solid. And then another really interesting thing about this is that because this is designed for use primarily with desks and with workplaces, it does have your K-lock right there on the back side, on the top there, and that's specifically designed to give you that extra security. Because this is not like a cheap throwaway device. This is a really powerful dock for your computer, for your workstation, whether it be at the office that you want to bring in, but you want to make sure that none of your coworkers are going to take it from you. So that's very helpful. Well, we're big fans of Cyber Acoustics products, so I'm actually, it's not a lightweight, it's got some heft to it. For me, that means that this is solidly built and that you're not looking at something that's going to easily just fall apart or break. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time, and we'll see you at CES.